Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicweb.com, making this a small video, midweek recap of the trades taken by Magic IB system. So let's get started. 5th, 6th, and the 7th was a very bad day for me. Today, my computer system, my network, the whole, got messed up. Virus came in and then, destroyed everything. So and still trying to fix those computers. I got a couple of new ones so that I can continue my work. But this is how it is. This is how it is. So anyway, um, all right. So this is the 5th. Monday, 5th. The week started and was a very good day at the beginning of the week. So I had this trade, euro yen, because on a Friday, last Friday, when the market closed, I made a chart of yen index saying that this, and that chart stuck with on the other computer. So all the racket is stuck there. But it's on my website and it's on the Twitter that I did. That the yen index is going to go up. That means yen will get weaker, and all the yen pairs will be going to the upside. And here comes Monday, the next week, and that's exactly what happened. And then look, euro yen, long, 80 pip, right? And then pound yen, 145 pip, long, exactly. The magic I was, setup. It was bouncing from here, beautiful area. Then USD yen going on, and it went up all the way to the upside. And then Aussie yen. So you see, I already anticipated that the yen is going to get weaker and all the yen pairs going to go up, and then you saw the setups and I took it. This is how you do the trading. Plan your trade ahead of time, and then trade your plan. And then the next day, where it go? See, it's a new computer, so I'm a little confused here. Okay, so the next day on the 6th, I had this pound newsy short, nice and clean. And this one, pound USD, this is the 40-minute chart actually. Right, the entry was from the 20-minute, but I'm showing here on a 40-minute chart that how it went up all the way in this channel and everything. So 85 pips so far. The TP was here, but this is how it happened here. And the last one on the 6th was EUR-USD as well, because of this USD. Pound USD went up, EUR-USD went up because of the USD's weakness. I was expecting the strength, but the weakness came in because of the news. And the thing is that sometimes, even if you know even if you anticipate that something is going to drop, but all of a sudden a news comes out, good news, and that the thing goes up, right? So all you gotta do is just watch out for the news, read it, what it is, and if it's the opposite of your analysis, it doesn't matter what our analysis are. We just anticipate at a time that this should happen and this might happen. But if the news comes against our analysis, then the market goes on the opposite direction. We follow it. That's it. As long as you have this magic IV system to follow. Look how beautiful, it went above the wave, came ABC kind of fashion and into the wave and bouncing from this black line. Beautiful. By the book entry. So that system is telling you that, it is not going down, it's going up. So why not take it? So this was a beautiful entry, which I took, but this is also a very good, entry, right? This is almost a good entry. This, it has to be inside this two red lines. But, if you know that this thing is going up, then yeah, for the rest of the night, it will be going up. So you could have taken this. But these two were the by the book entries at EUR-USD. Very, very nice. 100 plus pip. All the way to 24.01. Actually went up above it, but once the price reaches to a certain level, which is a very big and strong level, and I'm still already in like a good amount of pippage, 80 plus, 70 plus, 80 plus, I usually close the trade. Pound yen, pound Aussie, euro Aussie, something like that. I will hold to 120, 30, 150, sometimes 200, because those pairs are monster. When they move big, so it's worth to hold them. But these pairs, 70, 80, 100 pip, close the damn thing because it's gonna reverse on you. And today, like I said, only one is this USD-CAD. CAD has been very weak. I was expecting a bounce, but it's not giving us any bounce. It just keep dropping and dropping and dropping, and getting weaker and weaker. And every time it goes, and then you can see very nicely that in this one, it was like keep going weaker, but here CAD got strong because of the news, and it was all the way on at the resistance. These are the very nice weekly level. So I took a short here just to try the reversal might have, and it did. So let's see what happened. I'm expecting some bounce from CAD index. CAD need to get a little bit strong. A little retracement is required. It's been weak. Just keep dropping that index. So let's see. It might go a long way. Oh, you never know. So these are the trades so far. 7-8 trades into the midweek. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday today. Right now, nothing is open. Everything is closed. I didn't have many trades. This is the only one. And I tried one pound yen long. I mean short, but it didn't work out. Lost 8 or 10 pip there. That's it. And this is what I have. That's it. That's maybe by tonight or by tomorrow morning, all night, I have to sit down and then fix my network here. And by tomorrow morning, I'll be up and running. So maybe it's gonna cost me this night tonight, or if I can do something with these two computers only. So maybe I'll find one or two trade tonight in London session and try to take them. Okay, so this is it for now. Like I said, if you like what you see, go on my website, subscribe, start trading like this. Get the system, everything. I give you the alarm and everything. Magic ID alarm when the setup is about to build. It start beeping, so you can see that. Okay, you don't have to sit in front of the computer all the time. If you're doing other chores around the house, you have the alarm on in few pairs, whichever you want to trade, and then when the setup is ready or about to build, that thing start beeping, and you can come and sit and start watching for the setup, for the trigger bar. And as soon as you get that, you open the trade, you put your SL, and then you can go back and continue your chores around the house. So do whatever you want to do, or watching a football game or whatever. Okay, so this is how it is. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.